Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today is Watch Me Wednesday and it's time for a video and it is a hair video. I'm going to be showing you how I got this 10-minute look, baby. Oh my goodness. I absolutely love this style. So easy, y'all. I'm telling you, it's super easy. Y'all just keep watching. Keep watching. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and get started. Alright, so I have already washed and conditioned my hair and oiled it and all of that good stuff. And so I have already parted my hair as well. I parted it in half. Actually, it's a little bit less than half. I parted more toward the front rather than in the middle. And the back part of my hair I've already put in a ponytail. And I just kind of put it in a simple bun, nothing fancy, because it's not going to be showing anyway. So we're going to go ahead and get into some of the materials that you will be needing. You'll be needing a comb, rat tail comb preferably. Edge control is my favorite edge control. 24-hour edge tamer by Eben. I absolutely love it. Works wonders for me. Some ponytail holders. An edge control brush or an edge brush, however you want to say it. And yeah, you will also need some bobby pins and just a regular brush too. So I've already flat ironed my hair. You may not need to flat iron hair. This depends on the texture of your hair. My hair is relaxed. However, you know, we quarantine and I ain't had a touch up. So my roots was a little bit curly. So I just kind of flat iron my hair so my hair can be sleek as possible. So I'm just combing my hair, make sure there's no naps and kinks in there. I'm prepared to get into a ponytail. So I'm just going to go ahead and put some edge control on my hair, on my edges, and a little bit through my hair. I'm just going to brush it through. So now that I have brushed the edge control through my hair with my brush, I'm going to go ahead and put my hair into a ponytail. You want to check this to make sure your hair is nice and smooth and sleek and that there are no lumps and everything looks just nice, smooth, and soft. And I'm just going to take one of my ponytail holders and put my hair in a ponytail. How high you want your ponytail is totally up to you. I would not put it too high. You want it to be more toward the part so that it can cover up what you're going to do later. So yeah, you may not want it to be too high, but it's really ultimately up to you how high you want your ponytail to be. And after you have gotten your ponytail, this is what I do. Everybody has their own way of how they sleek their hair, but I'm going to go ahead and go in with my edge control again. We're going to go ahead and just sleek these edges. Now, I will be the first one to admit, I am not the best at sleeking my edges. For some reason, it's just not something I'm not the best at. But, I mean, I get it together. It looks good. But we're just going to go ahead and sleek these edges. I'm just using that brush end. And I'm following it with my finger to make sure it is smooth. And I'm just kind of swooping my edges up. Some of you who are watching are probably better at this than I am. But this is just what I do. If you already have your routine of how you sleek your edges and sleek your ponytails, by all means, go ahead and do that. I'm just trying to show you a general technique of how I got this whole style. So, yeah. right, now once you have your ponytail sleek, you're going to go ahead and grab your hair. This is the hair that I use. It is by Janet Collection in the curl Agatha, and I got 1B. It is a half wig. It comes with a comb on the top and a comb on the bottom, as you can see near this tag. And there's also some straps to tighten it as well. So we're going to go ahead and put this toward the back of my hair, and I'm going to take that big comb that's at the top, and I'm going to place that in right where my part is, as closest to my part as I can, and we're going to place that comb right in there to cover up that bottom ponytail. And then after we have the comb secure in there, I'm going to go ahead and secure the comb for the back, and that's going to go under that ponytail that I have in the back. After that, you can go ahead and tighten the straps that are back there to make sure the wig is secure, and this is how it should look. The next thing that you're going to do is go ahead and grab some hair from the middle. However much hair you want to be in your ponytail. Do not grab hair from the side. Grab it more toward the middle. Now, you don't want to grab too much hair because you don't want it to be obvious that too much hair is coming from that back part, but you want to grab just enough hair to make sure you have a nice full ponytail. So grab the hair and you're going to pull that hair toward the front. Again, make sure you are not grabbing any hair from the side. Once you have the amount of hair that you want, you're going to split it in half like so. After you have it split in half, you're going to just crisscross both of those pieces around your ponytail. The reason for doing this is to make sure that your hair falls correctly and that it's no lumps or anything like that. You're going to go ahead and take your ponytail holder and grab all of that, the weave and your hair, and put it all in a ponytail together. Again, the purpose of doing this is to make sure that the hair from the wig falls correctly and that it's not going to one side or going toward another side. It's just kind of falling evenly on your head. So you're going to make sure that's in a nice tight ponytail. Then you're going to separate your hair from the weave. And this is the hair you're going to wrap around that ponytail to hide that ponytail holder, okay? So what I'm going to do is pull it toward the back, as you can see. And then I'm going to get a hairpin and secure that base of that. And when you're doing this, you want to make sure it's nice and smooth. So I'm going to comb it out to make sure there's no naps, because you want this to go around nice and smooth. So I'm going to grab a hairpin and secure that base of that. Once the base is secure, you can begin wrapping the hair around the ponytail. Now, some people I've seen use hairspray and got to be glued and all of that on their hair when wrapping it around to make sure it's smooth and make sure it doesn't move. Well, I'm trying to reconstruct my hair, so I'm not really into using a whole bunch of different chemicals, especially chemicals with alcohol right now. So yeah, that's not working for me. This works just fine. Just wrap it around nice and smooth. And when I see that I'm getting toward the end of the hair, I'm going to pin it to make sure it is secure. And then when I get to that very last piece, I'm going to pin it again. So once the hair is completely wrapped around and pinned and secured, you want to go ahead and fluff that ponytail out and get it looking the way that you want it to look. This is the height that I like for mine as well. You may like yours a little bit lower. That will depend on how you wrap your hair around the ponytail. Okay, so this is it. Nice, simple look. It probably actually took less than 10 minutes. And it's so easy. This is so easy, y'all. And there you have it. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Super cute, easy style that you can wear anywhere. It is secure. It's not going anywhere. I hope you guys love it. I hope you guys try it. If you do, please share it with me. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for tuning in. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and share it. Oh yeah, and hit that subscribe button so you can see more videos like this one. Hit that bell button too so you can receive notifications of new videos that are posted. See you next time.